Hi everyone! Today in class we were talking about solving equations containing integers. Before we move on, let's review how we add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. Starting with adding and subtracting, which was lesson 2-1, we talked about whenever integers have the same sign, such as positive and positive or negative and negative, the sign is always going to be the same as the integers. When we have two positive integers, the sign is going to be positive. Whenever we have two negative integers, such as -4 and -2, our answer is going to be negative. Whenever we have different signs, such as positive and negative and positive, we are going to open up our pop-up to see different signs, find the difference. We find the difference of the numbers and keep the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. In class, we made up a song, big minus small, use the sign of the tall, meaning the taller number is the bigger number. For instance, in example 13, we had 5 plus -7. 5 is positive and -7 is negative. They're different signs. Bigger minus the smaller. Keep the sign, which was negative, of the taller or the bigger number in this case, which was 7. Okay, I'm going to flip my notebook to lesson 2-3. Which was multiplying and dividing integers. When we multiply and divide integers, whenever we have the same sign, positive and positive or negative and negative, our answer is always going to be positive. So our example, two negative numbers are going to create a positive answer. Two positive numbers are going to create a positive number. Whenever we have two different signs, such as positive and negative or negative and positive, our sign is always going to be negative. In class, we were talking about whenever you go to a restaurant, some people like to order pasta at a restaurant, and we came up with a little acronym, same pasta, different noodles. Now, I drew it quickly on the side of my notebook, but you have it all listed. We talked about how all pasta tastes the same for the most part, but the noodle is different. It's a different shape. We have penne pasta, spaghetti, linguine, elbow pasta, shells, bow ties. It's all the same pasta. It's just different noodles. Same pasta, different noodles. Same positive, different negative. Let's move on to today's lesson, which was 2-4, solving equations containing integers.